How to close Al Hilal bank account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can close Al Hilal bank account. The first thing you want to do is ensure all pending transactions are settled. Now, before closing your Al Hilal bank account, make sure there are no pending transactions. This includes pending payments or transfers, unsettled charges or fees, or any outstanding loan balances or credit. You also want to withdraw all of your funds from your bank account. Now, once that has been completed, you will have to visit a branch and request an account closure. Then you will have to fill up an account closure form. Now, if you want to fill up this form from home, then you're also able to do that. To download that form, you want to open up any web browser, then search for Al Hilal Bank Close form. Now, here you're going to find this account closure form over here. Go ahead and tap on that. Now, once it has been downloaded, it's going to look something like this. So as you can see, this is the account closure request form. You will have to enter the branch, then enter customer name, enter date. Then you want to enter the account numbers to be closed, then enter the reason for closure. After that, you also want to fill up the rest of the details. Then on, you want to scroll down and here there is the customer declaration. Make sure that you go through all of this properly. Now down below, you will have to do your signature. After you have written all of these information, you can take this form and go to the closest branch of the Al Hilal Bank. Now, the bank will verify all of these information and then close your account. Once the closure process is completed, you want to check if your account has been closed or not. Then you also want to destroy any documents related to the closed account. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.